Hello! In this presentation, we will show you how to unbox and get your Sideline Smart Electric Fireplace ready for installation. Every Touchstone fireplace is carefully packaged to provide maximum protection during shipping. Even if the outer carton shows signs of wear or handling during transit, the fireplace inside is most likely in perfect condition. After your fireplace is delivered and brought inside your home, we recommend opening the box and waiting at least 30 minutes before plugging the unit into power. This allows the electronic components to safely adjust to room temperature before operation. If you're working with a contractor, be sure to fully inspect and test your fireplace before scheduling service. Confirming everything is working properly first can help you avoid unnecessary delays or extra installation costs. When you first open the box, you will notice protective styrofoam panels with built-in compartments. Carefully remove these panels from the box and be sure to check for any embedded accessory boxes as they contain important components for your fireplace. The fireplace comes with handles on both sides of the unit. To safely remove it from the box, ask another person for help. Now is the right time to inspect the unit for any dents, scratches, or any other issues. Pay attention to the back of the unit. You should find a wall mounting bracket attached. For wall mounting instructions, refer to the owner's manual that comes with the fireplace. Next, we need to place the fireplace on its back and unscrew one screw on each side of the glass panel in order to remove it. These screws will not be needed once they are removed. Their purpose is to secure the glass during transport. Before removing the glass panel from the firebox, prepare a safe, soft surface where you can gently put it aside while you are assembling and testing the unit. For your safety, be very gentle when handling the glass panel as it is the most vulnerable part of the fireplace. Once the glass panel is taken off, we can remove any protective material and the wood log from the unit. The next step is to connect the unit to the power outlet so we can test all functions. To find the remote control and the owner's manual, open the smaller box that you found inside of the main box along the side of the fireplace. The purpose of each item from the box is described in the included owner's manual. On the back of the manual, you will find the model number of your unit, as well as Touchstone's customer support contact information. Before testing the fireplace, we will need 2 AA batteries for the remote control. Once the batteries are in, we can start pressing the buttons to see if the flame colors and ember bed colors change as desired. You can also test the heating function by setting it to H2, high heat. To disable the heater, switch it back to H0. Please refer to the owner's manual for details. If the fireplace is functioning as expected, unplug it from power and proceed with recessed or on-wall installation. After installation is complete, it is time for decorating the fireplace with crystals or the wood log. The crystals come in the box located in one of the styrofoam panels. In this case, we decided to go with the wood log. Lastly, we will need to cover the fireplace with the glass panel. Gently place the glass against the fireplace and let it slide onto the pegs or hooks. All done! If you notice any damage or malfunction during the process, please contact Touchstone customer support, and we will be happy to assist. Please have your order number ready so we can efficiently assist you. We hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.